In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into an existing Asana project. If you've been using Asana, you might already know that you can create a new project by importing a CSV file, which is a great way to quickly get started. But what if you've already set up a project in Asana and now find that you need to bring in some additional data from a CSV file? Well, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process of integrating your CSV data seamlessly into your existing Asana project. First, you'll need to open up your existing project in Asana. Once you have that on your screen, you should see the project title displayed prominently at the top. Just to the right of this title, you'll find a small caret icon. Go ahead and click on that. This action will bring up a drop-down menu with several options for managing your project. From the drop-down menu, look for an option labeled Import. Select it, and another menu will pop up, giving you the choice of different file types you can import. Here, we want to focus on the CSV option, so click on CSV. This is the format you'll be working with today to transfer your data. Next, you'll find yourself on an import screen. This screen includes a designated import field. To bring in your data, simply drag and drop your CSV file into this field. As you do this, you're basically telling Asana to prepare itself to take in the new information contained in your CSV file. Once you have successfully dropped the file in, you'll see an option to make changes. This is your opportunity to fine-tune exactly how you'd like this data to be mapped to your existing fields within the project. Take your time with this step. Carefully consider which parts of your CSV file should correspond to which elements in Asana. This might mean aligning certain columns in your CSV with specific task fields in Asana, ensuring that your data maintains its integrity and usefulness as it's imported. After you've made all your desired adjustments, you're ready to move forward. You'll see a prompt to continue to project. Clicking on this will finalize the process and integrate your CSV data into the existing structure of your Asana project. You'll now have all the additional data from your CSV file effortlessly combined with the work you've already done. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully imported your CSV file into your existing Asana project, enhancing and enriching your project's files with new data in just a few clicks. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now able to manage your Asana projects more efficiently with this new skill. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!